Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a mini album share. And I gotta take this band off on. Anyways, I am here with a mini album share, and I just wanted to show you what I made. First of all, let me grab the paper pad. So, one of my good friends, one of my crafting buddies, my old co-worker and good friend, she asked me to make a mini album, and we had a couple days. So this is the weekend of the hurricane, and so I got the paper from her, the colors for this wedding that she has coming up for her staff, and the colors are navy, yellow, and gray. So of course there's no paper really that you can find that's wedding related, and we didn't have much time to get it done because she needs it back in two more days actually. So I spent this weekend in the house in prep because I knew the hurricane was coming, although we have been spared, thank you Jesus. And I'm praying for anybody else that's been in harm's way, and I thank everybody for asking me about it and you're checking on me. So thank you so much for the love and support, and we have done very well with the storm, you know, and it was just so unpredictable. The path changed, so we did pretty well in that sense. But anyway, so we were trying to get this done, so she gave me this paper pad, and it wasn't opening. I cut into it, but this is the only colors that we had. So she gave me that, and I had some navy recollections paper, and that's it. And she told me, these are the colors, this is the paper, and I need you to come up with a mini album or folio for a wedding. And I was like, oh, these papers are just not screaming wedding. So I have struggled to make this because it just, you know, the papers just didn't scream wedding. But I did put this together, so this is just a little mini folio, and I just want to show you what I did come up with. And this is a Downton Abbey Crafter's Companion die right here in the front. I just made a Bella band, put a little bling right here, and I used some stickers that I got from Tuesday morning, and that says "Hey Love." And so didn't have any magnets. I ordered some. They would be here on Monday for Amazon, so we had to make this with Velcro. So that was another thing. Didn't have 110-pound cardstock in the colors that we needed, so I layered it so to make it sturdy, and I did use chipboard, so we do have chipboard covers. I watched the video by RosaKellyScrapbooking. I mean, oh my gosh, see, I'm so sleep deprived. I'll put her link below, but Rosa video, and she just used it with the 110-pound weight. I altered it just slightly just to make it with the chipboard covers and a couple of things inside I changed, but basically it's her tutorial and everything. So it's just Velcro's off because it's a little chunky. So I put some little bling here on the sides. That's the back, and that's the size. So it's just hard to work with colors that just so non-traditional, they don't scream wedding. But it was an interesting challenge to do something the papers don't scream what it is, and you're trying to make it what it is, and I had limited supplies, so both of those were challenging to do that. Plus it was raining, so you know, my grandson's sick, we had to go to the emergency room, all this kind of stuff, so we didn't had time to do anything else. So but I got it done. So this is "Hey Love," and I kept pretty much everything flat. This says "Love Forever." Still picture can go here, and right here it says "You planted seeds of love in the many spaces of my heart." So I just want to keep that page pretty flat because it closes like that. So if I'd had some magnets, I would have had it, you know, magnetized, but we didn't, so that's why I did the belly band, but it still worked out. So sorry about the shadows, it's nighttime. So anyway, on this side, this pocket, I think hers is inside, but mine's outside because I wasn't paying attention when I was making it. But anyway, this, I got a little sticker that says XO and a heart, and this Velcro's, just open it up, pull it out, and you can use those flaps, of course, for photos. That Velcro shut, open it up, it also Velcros to this page. Right here it says "I'll always love you." So let me show you that up close. That and that. So photos, and inside of both sides of here can be photo, journal, or photo there too as well. And then you open this up, and it says "Every single day I love you." Right here, it's a little long mat. I think it's 7 by 2.5 or something like that. Journal, those narrow photos up there, maybe some like IG photos. This opens up, so you got a little folder in there that you can add some additional photos. And this is a 5x6, so you can add some nice size photos in there. So in this middle, we have a little small waterfall. These are about 4 photos. This is a little heart right there. Just open that up with the Velcro. So you've got these, get one, and on the back of all of these is just yellow. So plain mats for her to do whatever, and the silver one there. Then you have a larger one, 2 larger ones right here. You know, and you can journal, put pictures, whatever you want to do on that. That just slides right back in there. Boom, it got some little bling right down the center of the spine. Close that up, and that's that right here. So we come over to here. I use a Martha Stewart punch, and I'm sorry I already put that up. That one is called, if you need the name of it, I can give it to you. Put a little bling here, and this one says "You are my happy place." There's a little sticker there, but a photo can go here as well. And like I said, the paper was just challenging to kind of come up with, making it look wedding-y, and not having any extra supplies and stuff. That's not having really have any stickers. I just happened to find that sticker pad here, but if not, I wouldn't have had any stickers. So on this end, my pocket should have went the other way. Wasn't paying attention, but I made it this direction. So anyway, got a little mat here, photos or journal. Then right here, this one says "In Love," another Velcro. And you got your photo mats. Whoops, that means to knock that one down. And then out here you got another large mat. And it just slides right under here on this little belly band. Now this actually also flips up. Pull that down so you can see that. Now you have 2 pockets here, and this has a sticker that says "Let's Cuddle." So with the 2 stickers here, 2 different, I just made 2 different shapes and sizes of some of the scraps. Put whatever you want there, journal, photos, whatever. And then we've got some more flips right here, and these are just your 4x6s, okay? So front and back, you can do those. Then you have this triangle pocket right here, and it says "Be Mine." And then you got this really large photo mat, and that slides back in here. And then we just flip that over, flip that down, flip that over, and flip that down, and close it up like that, and that's that side. So it was kind of fun though. I like doing challenges sometimes with stuff that, you know, doesn't scream what it is. But it did take me a while to get into it, because it just felt like you know, I'm just like frustrated because I didn't have all the supplies and things I wanted, but I still like it. I still think it came out cute, all things considered. And so, like I said, I will put the link to the video that I watched for the tutorial. And it's kind of fun trying to do something different that you don't think of. So even though it's not your traditional colors or traditional papers, I still think it came out to be a cute little folio. So and this measures, the height is I think 8 1/4 by 7 inches wide. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.